Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm good. Are you ready to start practicing?
Yes, I'm ready.
You're going to repeat after me, okay?
Okay, I'm excited to improve my speaking and pronunciation.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
How are you doing?
How do you do?
How do you do?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm pleased to meet you.
I'm pleased to meet you.
I'm glad to see you.
I'm glad to see you.
How's it going on?
How's it going on?
How have you been?
How have you been?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Faisal.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Sarah.
I really appreciate your help.
I really appreciate your help.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I need to get some sleep.
I need to get some sleep.
Do you need anything?
Do you need anything?
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Traffic was terrible yesterday.
Traffic was terrible yesterday.
I love spending time with my family.
I love spending time with my family.
She likes to ride her bike to school.
She likes to ride her bike to school.
What's your favorite subject?
What's your favorite subject?
We're so excited today.
We are so excited today.
How do you do?
How do you do?
He is so happy.
He is so happy.
Do you have any plans?
Do you have any plans?
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Sorry, I'm late.
Sorry, I'm late.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Excuse me, could you repeat that?
Excuse me, could you repeat that?
I need some advice. Can you help?
I need some advice. Can you help?
What time is it?
What time is it?
I'm sorry for the misunderstanding.
I'm sorry for the misunderstanding.
Could you please speak more slowly?
Could you please speak more slowly?
I'm excited about the upcoming event.
I'm excited about the upcoming event.
Let's go for a walk, shall we?
Let's go for a walk, shall we?
Can you pass me the remote, please?
Can you pass me the remote, please?
It's raining outside. Better bring an umbrella.
It's raining outside. Better bring an umbrella.
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Could you please open the window?
Could you please open the window?
I'm so tired. I need a break.
I'm so tired. I need a break.
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
Let's meet at the cafe at p.m., okay?
Let's meet at the cafe at p.m., okay?
Could you lend me a hand?
Could you lend me a hand?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you.
I love listening to music while I work.
I love listening to music while I work.
Would you like some coffee or tea?
Would you like some coffee or tea?
Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
I can't wait to see you again.
I can't wait to see you again.
How was your day?
How was your day?
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
What's your favorite hobby?
What's your favorite hobby?
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
Let's meet at the library tomorrow afternoon.
Let's meet at the library tomorrow afternoon.
Would you like to go for a walk with me?
Would you like to go for a walk with me?
Let's plan a trip together sometime.
Let's plan a trip together sometime.
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
What's your dream job?
What's your dream job?
Let's play a board game this evening.
Let's play a board game this evening.
Have you ever tried sushi before?
Have you ever tried sushi before?
Sorry, could you please speak up a little?
Sorry, could you please speak up a little?
Let's go for a bike ride this weekend.
Let's go for a bike ride this weekend.
Wow, you get to practice English a lot today.
Yes, I enjoyed speaking with you.
Well done. You did great today.
Thank you. You helped me to improve my speaking and pronunciation.